Hi there, time for editing. In last lesson, we learned about how to setting up the project and how to import videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. And this is the time for start the editing. So you can take a look. I placed a video clip in my timeline, and this is an intro of my another course. I have some extra or unnecessary part at beginning and at end, and I want to remove that extra or unnecessary part from this clip. So let me play this video clip, then you will have the clear view. And if you want to play this video clip, you just have to click on this play icon from program panel. So let me play this video clip. Okay. Hi there. You can take a look till I'm saying hi there. I have some unnecessary or extra part, and I don't want to keep that unnecessary or extra part, and I have some unnecessary part at end as well. So let me show you the end part, and for showing you the end part, you have to place this indication bar at end. So you have to use your mouse for placing up the indication bar. So I want to place my indication bar in here. Okay, so you can take a look. Right now I have 42-second time frame over here, and from the 42-second I want to play this video clip. So let me play this video clip. Color in Adobe Photoshop. I was kidding. So I have to remove the extra or unnecessary part from this clip at end and at beginning. So let's start the process for removing the unnecessary part from beginning and end. So let's start with the beginning part, and we have to select the area, or we have to select the time frame till where we want to remove the unnecessary or extra part, and that's why we have to place our indication bar at beginning. So I want to place my indication bar in here. Right now I have 2 seconds in time frame. Let me play. Okay, I think 5 seconds is perfect. So I want to remove first 5 seconds from this video clip, and that's why I have to use a razor tool. So where is a razor tool? You will get the razor tool inside the tool panel, and this is the razor tool. So you can directly click with your mouse, or if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, then you have to use C button from your keyboard. So let me click on this eraser tool. Once you will click on eraser tool, the cursor of your mouse will be changed, and you can take a look. Razor tool basically using for splitting the video clip on your timeline. And right now I am going to place my razor tool at my indication bar, or you can place the razor tool on your desired time frame. So I'm going to place my razor tool at my indication bar, and then you have to click once with your mouse. Okay, after clicking with your mouse, you can move this indication bar at left or at right. Then you can take a look. We have a split mark over here, and right now I want to remove this first 5 seconds from here, and using the razor tool our clip is splitted, and that's why I have to use the selection tool, as because I'm going to remove this first 5 seconds. And to use the selection tool, you just have to click with your mouse, and this is the selection tool, or you can use keyboard shortcut, that is V. So let me click on this selection tool. Okay, after selecting the selection tool, you have to click the first part. Right now we have 2 parts. After splitting, we have the first part and we have the second part, but we don't want to delete this second part. We want to delete the first 5 seconds. That's why you have to select this first portion, and once you select with your mouse, you just have to press delete button from your keyboard. So let me press delete button. And you can take a look, the first 5 seconds is removed from this timeline. Our first 5 seconds is removed from this clip. So let me place the indication bar at start. Okay, and now let me play this clip once again. So here is the play button. You can take a look, we have blank screen. Okay, after 5 seconds we have the clips. We got blank screen for 5 seconds because we don't have any clip or content in here. So that's why we have to cover this 5-second blank space and we have to ripple delete it. So to ripple delete, you just have to right click with your mouse in this empty space and then you will get this ripple delete option. So let me click on this ripple delete. Okay, now we have the 0-second time frame. And now let me play this video clip.
Hi there.
Okay, you can take a look. We don't have any blank space right now, as because we delayed the blank space. Okay, so first part is done and now we have to delete the end part, and that's why we have to find out the place till where or from where we will delete the ending part. So that's why we have to place our indication bar at end. So let me play this video clip.
Photoshop.
So I think I have to select the area
Shop.
till here. Okay, so I want to keep first 40 seconds for this clip and the rest of 4 seconds I want to remove. The length of this video clip is 44 seconds and here is the time duration, and I don't want to keep last 4 seconds and I want to keep till 40 seconds, and that's why you have to use the razor tool. So here is the razor tool and let me place it here. You can take a look, the clip is splitted and now we have to use the selection tool. So here is the selection tool. You just have to select the end part and then you have to delete the extra or end part. Okay, cool. So right now you can take a look, we have total 40-second length, and if you play this video clip then you can have a look, the extra or unnecessary part is removed from this clip. So let me play the final one.
Class project. We will learn how to change color in Adobe Photoshop.
So you can take a look, all the unnecessary part is removed from this clip. So you are a video editor now, as because right now you know how to split or how to remove any unnecessary or extra part from the video clip. So let's have some practice and see you in next lesson.